Meaning of eugenist.
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 Eugenist. The term eugenist refers to someone who advocates for the improvement of the human species through selective breeding and genetic manipulation. Eugenics has a controversial history, as many eugenists promoted ideas of racial purity and used it to justify discriminatory policies and practices. The result of eugenics can be both positive by reducing the occurrence of genetic diseases, but can also lead to negative consequences such as forced sterilization and the stigmatization of certain groups. Today, eugenics is largely rejected as unethical and harmful to human rights.